Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today we have a cute mini Easter egg bunny, not so many because I use bigger yarn, completion video, crochet. So let's take a look at this cute little guy. Excuse my bandage, the rest of my fingers are ready for Easter. So this little Easter egg bunny is adorable, and I made him from a free pattern that I found on Ravelry called Mini Easter Egg Bunny by Audrey Lillian. Now, her Easter egg bunny is about this big, about the size from the eyes to here. But I used worsted weight yarn, like the thicker yarn, because I wanted a bigger bunny. This is going to be a gift for my best friend's little grandson. Look at the little tail. He is 6 years old. He just turned 6, so this is going to be part of his birthday and Easter gift. I got him some other things too. A little kite and some chocolates and coloring books and some watercolor books, just different arts and craft things. So yeah, but I wanted to make him something handmade because I usually do. And I hope you'll like this little guy. It's got safety eyes and a little embroidered nose and mouth, and I did the little sweater just in different colors as I was crocheting the egg. And he's got some little colors on his feet. He's just really cute. And he took me a very long time to make because my thumb is still injured, and I unfortunately re-injured my thumb, not crocheting, but sewing in all the little pieces. So I was going to make one of these for my Auntie Erna in a different color. I was going to use yellow, pink, and white for my Auntie Erna. And I can't do it because I can't sew in all these pieces. I know it doesn't look like very many. There's 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces to sew in, plus the embroidery and plus this little detailing here. But it broke open my sword. It's really sore, so I can't do anything that needs sewing in. So I'm going to have to find a pattern that is a no-sew pattern for my Auntie Erna if I want to make her something. Anyway, because she's going to be 98 on Sunday. But this is for Little Boone. So this pattern by Audrey Lillian, if you wanted to try it, is completely free on Ravelry, and only 2 other people have tried it. So it was published in March of 2024, so it's a newer pattern. So I think I'm one of the first people besides the author to do this, and it is an adorable pattern. There's one that she has on her site, like on the Ravelry site, that is brown with yellow and like a turquoisey green almost color, and like the sweater and white. It is so cute, and I really wanted to make it, but I didn't have the right brown. The brown that I have is like a really dark muddy brown, and this was like more like a chocolate Easter bunny brown. It was so cute. So if I get some of that brown yarn for next year, I'll probably make this again. Now look at that little tail. And you know what? If you sew the tail, everything I sewed along the green, so that when he sits down, the tail balances him, which is so clever because usually things like this fall over very easily, but he's got like almost a little tripod on the bottom, and you could flatten the bottom if you want it. You could flatten it and put a piece of cardboard or plastic under there, but he doesn't really need it because he sits really nicely. So yeah, so the tail really helps to balance him, especially if you lean him back a little bit. He's so cute. I really like him, and I'm really pleased with him, and I hope Little Boone will like him too. Now, the pattern does come with, you could make a little blue hat for him, or you could make a little pink bow. It has little accessories. You could make a little bow tie. I was going to make the little bow tie, but honestly, I can't do any more sewing. So I could easily crochet it, but I would have to glue gun it on, and my hands are shaking. I don't want to get glue all over this and wreck it, so I'm just going to leave him as is. And I think he looks cute like this. He doesn't need the accessories. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you if you like to crochet, and if you love little stuffed animals. The only thing is, because it's done in rounds, the back doesn't line up. So the only thing I think I would change is, instead of doing it in rounds, I would connect as I go around before I go to make the next round, so then these would all line up. because when you work in rounds, you don't get a perfect lineup. So that's why I put that at the back and this at the front. It's just like he got his shirt from one of those cheap companies like Shein. But anyway, he's so cute. I really like him. So you guys, I just want to wish you all an upcoming happy Easter if you celebrate Easter. And if you don't, then happy spring. Because I hope you're having a really great day, whatever it is that you're doing, and that you have a nice weekend. I don't know when this will go up. This might go up after Easter. I'm not sure. I'll try to get it edited and put up before Easter, though. Today is Thursday, so I have to get going because I think they're here already, and I need to get ready and go next door and give this to Little Boom. Alright guys, so I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, you guys, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye.